Welcome to Algebra Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve one-step equations using the subtraction method. Specifically, we will look at how to isolate a variable when a number is being subtracted from it. First, let's understand our main goal. Solving an equation means finding the value of the unknown variable, like x or y. To do this, we need to isolate the variable. This means we want the letter to be completely alone on one side of the equal sign. There is one golden rule in algebra that you must never forget. Think of an equation like a balance scale. Whatever you do to one side of the equation, you must do exactly the same thing to the other side to keep it balanced. Let's look at this equation. X minus 5 equals 12. Notice the minus sign. This tells us that the variable x is being decreased by 5. To solve this, we need to remove that minus 5. To remove a number, we use inverse operations. Inverse means opposite. The opposite of subtraction is addition, so if we see a minus sign, we will use addition to undo it. Let's solve x minus 4 equals 10. To get x by itself, we need to cancel out the minus 4. We do this by adding 4. Remember the golden rule: if we add 4 to the left, we must add 4 to the right. The minus 4 and plus 4 cancel out to 0. We are left with 10 plus 4, which equals 14. So x equals 14. Here is a way to visualize it. The top bar represents our variable y. We know that if we take away 5, we are left with 15. To find the total value of y, we simply need to add that 5 back to the 15. 15 plus 5 gives us the whole length. Let's try with larger numbers. A minus 15 equals 30. We identify the minus 15. To undo it, we add 15 to both sides. 30 plus 15 equals 45, so a equals 45. It is always good to check your work. We found that a equals 45. Let's substitute 45 back into the original equation. Does 45 minus 15 equal 30? Yes, it does. Our answer is correct. Now it is your turn. Here are 3 equations to practice. Remember to identify the subtraction and then add that number to both sides to find the answer. Pause the video here and give them a try.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.